In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to wrap text around a circle in Canva. This is a fantastic technique to add an extra layer of style and aesthetic appeal to your designs, especially useful in creating logos, social media graphics, or any digital artwork. So let's jump in and learn how to create this unique effect. First things first, open up your web browser and head over to Canva's website. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to log into your account. Once there, look for the Continue button on the homepage and click on it to proceed. If you're prompted to choose an account, make sure to select your Google account linked with Canva. After selecting, just click Continue again to move forward. Now that you're logged into your Canva dashboard, navigate to your projects. Open the specific project you're working on where you'd like to wrap text around a circle. This could be your logo project or any design where this text effect would make a difference. Now let's pick the text that you want to be circular. This could be any text you've already inserted into your design. Click to select it, which will activate the editing options. Once your text is selected, you'll see an Effects button at the top of Canva's toolbar. Go ahead and click on this. Inside the effects menu, you'll find a variety of options. The one we're interested in is the curve effect. Click on that to apply the effect to your selected text. You'll notice the text starting to curve immediately. However, to achieve the perfect circle shape, you'll need to adjust the slider bar manually. This slider allows you to change the degree of the curve, making it more or less circular as needed. For this example, we're setting it to 51, but feel free to adjust according to your design needs. After setting the correct curvature, it's time to position the text around the element in your design, which in most cases might be a logo or a central image. Gently drag your newly curved text around your design until it fits perfectly, enhancing the overall visual appeal. Once you're satisfied with the adjustments, take a step back and review your design. Double check to ensure everything's placed just how you want it. If you're happy with how it looks, congratulations. You've successfully wrapped text around a circle using Canva, adding a creative touch to your project. That's it for today's tutorial. Keep practicing, and soon wrapping text around different shapes will become second nature to you. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more design tips and tricks. Happy designing!